Hi, it's Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and welcome to Moments of Joy, our weekly demo series where we teach you the best tips and tricks to get the most out of Travel Joy. Now, Matt, how are you doing this week?
I tell you what, it is a crazy time to be living in New York. We've got two big things going on. We are in the midst of a generational run of the New York Knicks, which, Caitlin, I believe you're their number one fan?
Number one, yes. Shout out to Jamil, one of our engineers on the team, who brought me into that fandom. But what else is happening this week, Matt?
Thank you for asking. The one I really want to talk about, we had the Tony Awards on Sunday. If you've watched Moments of Joy, you know that Caitlin and I are both theater kids, so we're very excited for the Tonys. If any advisors out there are sending clients to New York City and you need advice as to which Broadway shows are hot to see right now, drop it in the comments. I'm happy to help. But that's not why we're here. Caitlin, what do you have for us today?
Today, we're going to talk about how to customize your trips using trip photos and also how to set a default trip photo for all of your trips moving forward.
Let's see how it works.
All right, when you start a new trip by using the blue New button, you have the ability to select a photo right here from this pop-up, searching any keywords to find photos that fit your client's destination. If you have already created a trip and you'd like to change that photo, you can head into the trip, navigate to this three-dot menu just to the left of the blue Create button, choose to edit the trip, and from here you can choose a new photo by using the Choose Photo button to search keyword destinations or upload your own. Now, let's say you have a photo that you want to appear on all trips as the trip photo. You can easily do this by heading to the Settings tab on the left-hand side, navigate to Trip Photos, the very last option, and from here you can select a default trip photo that will appear on all trips you create moving forward. As you can see, my default photo is this boat here, but you can use any of the photos you've used in the past or upload your own at the top of the page.
Great, thank you so much, Caitlin. What is our other big learning opportunity this week? What is our workshop?
Our workshop this week is focused on payments. So if you're interested in learning more about credit card authorizations and processing direct payments on TravelJoy, please join us. The link to register will be in the description for this video.
We hope to see you at the workshop webinar, and if not, we will see you again for another episode of Moments of Joy next Wednesday.
Go Knicks!